Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Let's Play Collector's Cove. We're going to continue on day 2 of Sakura Shores. Let's go! Okay. We're making ingots. Okay, so we have a lot of coins that we need. We still have a lot of simple wood that we need. We got enough sakura wood. We need more haunted wood and we need gold ingots. So. I really need this stuff to finish growing. Yeah, but I guess for now, whilst we're traveling, let's do some fishing. Oh, that was close. Ooh. Did we already get this? Oh, I guess we did. Okay, well, let's keep going then. Cool. Oh. Yes. Nice. Okay. Oof. Nice. Okay. Don't snap it. Ooh. Dangerous. Very cool. Oh, hurry, 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 hurry. Perfect, just in time. I guess this is a really good place to be able to get more like of the like staple things that are needed. No, it didn't button my shirt sleeve. Let's see here. Haunted wood, simple wood, coins. A lot of fishies. Oh. Wrong button. Okay. Okay. Oh. I can't even make it. Well, actually, hold on. Oh, I need copper. Oh, copper. Copper. I built it just to... Okay, well, let's see, bag is empty. Not yet, not yet. Let's go to this new island and let's see what it has in store for us. Nope. There's a lot of flowers. Need a lot of flowers. Ah, how do I get up there? Maybe I need to come back. Ooh. Did you leave a feather or something? I don't see anything, but it's a little dark. How does one get up there? Okay. Very nice. Oh, that was really close. I need to be more careful. Oh. I gotta really stop playing this game. Whew. Okay. gotta be a salmon. Oh, not a salmon. Cool. Ooh. What's that? We should go make it. Okay, let's go see what that auto feeder is. Return to the boat. Oh. Fabled origins. Hey Mochi's mom and dad, how's the sea treating you? We've been hearing all about your progress and couldn't be prouder. At this rate, you might be able to catch up to us sooner than we thought. You've always been on harbors. Yeah, personally, I've always preferred Sakura Shores, but when you do go, don't let this atmosphere get to you. Some people get properly rattled there, but then again, some folks are just a little too sensitive. Word. Over here, we visited a few islands, and the difference is incredible. They're so much bigger, and you don't sink back into the sea at all. You can actually chart a permanent map and mark down places to revisit later. It means being a bit more careful versus ashore, but I find studying this refreshing. I've also been chasing rumors of fabled species here, though none have landed in our nests yet. The locals say that long ago, the uncharted seas and the changing tides, that's where you are now, were completely separate. No collector's cove, no great gate between them, nothing. And here's the wild part. Fabled seas are said to have originated from the uncharted seas. They never existed in the changing tides until some great natural event tore down the border between the two. Okay, we get some lore. Okay, I'm not the best at piecing together lore. I just feel like maybe I'm just, you know, not the most cut out for that. But doesn't mean I can't appreciate it. Let's see where we're at. So close. So close. But what is this? Copper again. Proof sicher. I'm always playing such a risky game. Maybe I should stop doing that. Yay, salmon. Oh. Here they come. Okay. Oh, let's go. Oh, you know what? Gotta bring my stuff to sell. Yeah. I gotta bring... Oh, no, no, no. 아이고. Let's see here. Definitely all of that. Oh, let's just wait then. 13, 12. is a very strange timer. Where are thou? There you are. I need to get her a hat, although she's really cute with the flowers. She's really cute with the flowers. Okay. Boop. Here we go. Still not willing to trade. Let's see what we got here. Hmm. 2020? Yeah, there we go. That's better. Shoot. Yeah, let's trade. Trade. Okay. No. We'll collect it because we haven't finished collecting everything yet. Oh, excuse me. Okay. You can go away. You can... Ah, you know what? I forgot to sell my vegetables. Alright, let's go to our next island. This one. See where we're at. I keep playing that dangerous game. Oh. That's always so scary. Nice. Very nice. Hey, baby. Yeah, would you like something to eat? Let's get something to eat, shall we? Hope you're not allergic to this one. Cute, so cute. Adorbs. Okay. I might just call it a day today after reaching this island. Maybe explore it, because there's usually not that much to explore yet. But I'm excited for when the next island's gonna appear. It's loading right now with that big magnificent cloud. Loading. Here we are. We're gonna explore this island and then we're probably gonna call it a day for today. See what we can get. Oh, there's another tree hiding right behind it. Two for all. Flowers, take the flowers. Oh. Okay, let's have one more look around just to see if I missed anything. Already fished in the pond. Oh, okay, got stuck there a little bit. Alright. Let's do a little bit of fishing. Because I'm not gonna lie, I'm fading real quick. I'm so sleepy. So let's just do some fishing and then we'll call it a day. Not too bad. That was bad. That was a bad cast. Alright, let's call it a day for today and make it our way back to to the island today. Or our boat. Okay. Alright. So I know this one's a little bit shorter, but we're gonna call it a day here. I'm gonna head to the next island, which is this. Alright. And then I'll see you in the next one. Bye!